So I've been enjoying using this Lamy Safari rollerball, but I appreciate that not everyone really likes the M63 refill that it comes with. I think the M63 is fine. It's definitely not my favorite, but it's not terrible. But again, it's a non-standard size. It's obviously on the long side, and they're a little bit hard to find, and they're just not everyone's favorite. So I figured what I would do was show everyone how you can convert from this M63 over to a more popular and in some ways, or in many ways, a better refill. In this case, I'm gonna go with a Pilot G2. This is most people's, or many people's, preferred rollerball refill, and I bought it in bold. I really like these bold ones. So I just popped this thing open, and we could see really quickly the size difference between the M63 refill and the G2. It's a little bit hard to tell, but if we stand them up, we could see that the M63 is just a little bit longer than the G2. So the best way to make up for that difference is to just come up with a piece of plastic. I know some people could use a drinking straw or the end of a different refill, and that will be enough to make up the difference. So here's what I ended up with. It's literally a piece of a cap, and this is the cap of a refill. So if you buy like an Easy Flow 9000 refill from Schmidt, or some Parker G style refills, it'll come with something, and this will just be there and just keeps it fresh. So get one of these, and it's nice because it's already sized the size of a pen barrel, and there's something you're gonna throw it anyway, so it's kind of like recycling it. And then also they're pretty easy to cut. I usually just put on some gloves, some nice protective gloves, measure, and then cut it with a really sharp knife on a cutting board, and you could get right through it. So here is the M63's installed. It closes tight, good seal here. If I shake it, no sound, and nice line right there. It's not extended out too far. It's not kind of dipped in. So we'll just use that as the benchmark. I'll open this up, and the thing to do now is you get the barrel, or the end, get your refill, put it down there, and you're not gonna be able to tell in this video, but if you look in good lighting, you should be able to see that it is a whole side up. If you shake it, it'll get whole side up eventually. Now put your G2 refill in here, put your pen barrel in, and it should get tight around here. Turn, turn. That looks to be the same closure there. That's good. We get our refill, and I haven't even used this one yet. And same line. Just kind of a nice, good fit there, a nice fit there. Shake it, no rattle. That is mission critical to me. And now test, and this is a Lamy Safari with Pilot G2. And if I go like this, there's no shaking. The fit of the diameter of the refill within the aperture here, it's a very good fit. No rattle, nothing like that. And just for comparison purposes, this is the Lamy M63 medium. Again, nothing wrong with that Lamy, but if you prefer the Pilot, or if you're just at your local Staples or what have you, and they don't have a Lamy refill, you could get a Pilot in there with literally just like 30 seconds of work. Thanks for watching.